Hi everyone, want or need a blog, a product descriptions or social post faster? Let me show you how to generate a content and scale using the minimax.io. So let's get started. First, go and visit to the minimax.io and create account. Then head to the AI Creation Center or the Character Lab to get started. Then here you can create a content generator bot and give it a name like the blog Writer Pro or Social Media Wizard. And here in the prompt box, you can input a role definition like this example here. And you can use a prompt template to scale output. You can use a various prompt generations and variations like this for fast, repeatable content. Like for example, for blog ideas, for product descriptions, for social media, and for newsletter. Then you can generate and refine and export. Copy the responses directly to the generate if needed, and save multiple outputs in Notion, Google Docs, or export with your Minimax if supported. And you can batch generate by entering a multiple prompts into one session. And pro tip, you can use a custom instruction to match your brand tone or formatting like bullet points, emojis, or formal voice. And that's it. That's how you generate a bulk content using Minimax AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.